Today we are going to learn to tell time. This is a clock. We put it on the wall. On the clock we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And we have the two hands. We have the big hand, this red one, and we have the small hand, this black one. Now let's see how it works. As the big hand is on 12, now it's 11 o'clock. Now it's 11:15. Now it's 11:30. Now it's 11:45. Now it's 12 o'clock. Now it's 12:15. Now it's 12:30. Now it's 1:45. The big hand is on 12 and the small hand is on 1. So it's 1 o'clock. Now can you tell me what's the time? Yes, correct. It's 3:30.